Hey guys, so I made a video about 9 months ago showing you guys a full timeline breakdown of how my hair looked like from having no hair at all to getting my hair transplant done for my hairline and mid-scalp. I got 6,100 grafts during that time. I documented that entire journey on this channel and I showed it to you guys from the start to finish. And it's been a really exciting journey for me throughout this entire time. So I went back again and I got a second hair transplant done, this time for 4,000 grafts, and I tried to finish up my crown. I've been documenting that journey as well on this channel for those who don't know, but if you already do know and you've seen a bunch of my other videos, especially my monthly updates, you've been seeing how that progress has been. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you that exact progress as well from the first day I got my hair transplant up until what it looks like currently. And it's been quite the journey. I am going to focus on showing you the crown and my donor area because I think that's really important to see how it looks compared to how it was last time as well. So hopefully you can enjoy this little time lapse of how the hair has grown on my crown from the first day of the surgery up until now. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the progress of my crown and how much it has grown from literally nothing. I now have a decent amount of hair on my head. Sure, it's not 100% fully covered or 100% fully dense, but at the present moment in time, it's been about 13 to 14 months, and I can't really complain because I have more hair on that area than I ever did have before. One of the major things I do talk about in all my videos is also the importance of using aftercare. I'm not going to go through all of that in this video because I have spoken about it on other videos on this channel, so do check those out as well. I do believe that a lot of my hair on my head right now is because of that, and I can't downplay that enough. Hopefully it's inspired somebody out there and motivated somebody to want to go get a hair transplant. I got mine done at Vera Clinic. They were excellent the first time around as well as the second. If you want to have a conversation with them, you can sign up with a free consultation with them. I have a link to their website below. Also, if you are somebody who wants to get a hair transplant and you're not sure on what you need to do or what you need to ask, I have a one-on-one hair consultation service and we can have a conversation about your burning questions, or even if you're worried about getting a hair transplant, I'm here to help to assist in that. So do consider booking some time with me as well. The links are all in the description below. Do check that out. Alright, I think that's really about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.